everyone, welcome to the new video. Today I'm here with the new chapter, the noun number. So let's begin the chapter. Chapter 3, the noun number. In this chapter, you will learn about countable and uncountable nouns to make plural from singular, the noun number, singular, plural. Countable and uncountable nouns. A noun can be countable और uncountable. एक noun जो होता है उसको आप count भी कर सकते हो और count नहीं भी कर सकते हो, तो वो countable भी होता है, uncountable भी होता है. तो thus we can also classify nouns. तो हम noun को classify कर सकते हैं as countable nouns and uncountable nouns. A countable noun can be counted but an uncountable noun cannot be counted. For example, तो आप जो countable चीज countable noun होंगे उसको आप count कर सकते हो. अब आपके सामने word लिख दिया है uncountable, तो आप उसको count नहीं कर सकते हो. Like countable कौन से होते हैं? Man, town, horse, cat, student, river, rat, dog, farmer, pen, lion, table. उसी तरीके से uncountable में आ जाता है gold, wheat, truth, theft, water, rice, bravery, honesty, oil, metal, activity, poetry. Always remember, only a countable noun can have plural form. For example, men का men, town का towns. तो जो uncountable noun होते हैं उनका plural नहीं होता है. Now comes the noun number. There are two numbers in English language. English language में दो numbers होते हैं, एक होता है singular number, एक होता है plural number. अब singular number क्या होता है? Noun that denotes one person, place, thing is the singular number. Kite, oven, eggs, baby, church. तो जो फिर एक number को बताता है. Plural number, noun that denotes more than one person, place or a thing is का plural number. Kites, ovens, eggs, babies, churches, etc. Rules to make plural from singular. क्या rule है plural से singular बनाने का? Generally we make plurals by adding s to the singular. अब singular word में आप s ऐड कर देते हो, es ऐड कर देते हो. Generally तो s ऐड करते हैं उसको plural बनाने के लिए. तो dog बन जाता है dogs, rats बन जाएगा rats, cow बनता है cows, lion, lions, eye, eyes, cat, cats, hat, hats, tiger, tigers, ear, ears, goat, goats. If the noun ends in s, ss, sh, ch, x, o, we add es, like bus, buses, dress, dresses, fox, foxes, potato, potatoes, bush, bushes, watch, watches. Nouns ending in y, जो nouns end हो रहे हैं y में preceded by consonant और consonant precede कर रहा है और उनको हम replace करते हैं by replacing the y with ies. y को replace कर देते हैं और ies लगा देते हैं. like body, cut, body का bodies, city का cities, cry का cries, family families, fly का flies, story का stories. If the nouns ending in y preceded by vowel are challenged into the plural by adding s. तो अगर कोई noun आपका y से end कर रहा है, vowel precede कर रहा है, उसको plural बनाते हैं s add करके. boy become boys, donkey become donkeys, toy become toys, tray become trays. Now some nouns are ending in f plus fe are turned into plural by replacing f और fe को हम replace कर देते हैं ves से. calf बन जाएगा calves, knife बन जाएगी knives, leaf बन जाएगा leaves, life will become lives, loaf will become loaves, shelf will become shelves, thief will become thieves, wife will become wives, wolf will become wolves, elf will become elves. Exceptions हो जाते हैं कहीं. belief हो गया believes, proof हो गया proofs, chief हो गया chiefs, roof हो गया roofs. Now some nouns are turned into plural by a change of vowels or irregularly. Man will become men, woman will become women, foot will become feet, tooth will become teeth, goose become geese, mouse become mice. Now some nouns have the same spelling in both singular and plural. कुछ nouns की same spelling होती है singular and plural में. fish, furniture, deer, swine, sheep, scissors, trousers, tongs. Now it's time to answer. Rewrite the following sentence changing the singular noun को हमें plural में change करके sentence दोबारा से लिखना है. और जैसे example इन्होंने किया है, little boy was in the zoo. So some little boys were in the zoo. The postman wears a khaki dress. तो postman कर देंगे. Postmen wear khaki dresses. Now the player rode a motorcycle. Players rode motorcycles. The boy has gone to school. Boys have gone to school. So like this, you have to change them into plural and rewrite the sentences. So I hope you all have understood the chapter. Go through it again, do the exercises. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay connected and stay motivated. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.